In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Chevy Silverado using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands, and a rubber pad that protects your vehicle from friction with the jack. Your Chevy Silverado must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on the ground where your truck will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the vehicle at the same time as it lifts it. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the frame rail, which is a solid base for lifting then securing your vehicle in complete safety. Place the jack stand under the frame rail. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle as additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Silverado, repeat the steps for the other side. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To put the vehicle back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary and retighten the nuts until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your Silverado until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Finalize the tightening of the wheel. For rear lifting of your Chevrolet Silverado, you can also place the jack under the frail frame. You can place the jack stands under the rear axle. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack and raise your Silverado until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Chevrolet Silverado. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.